The other way? No.
It's in the back. Yeah, like that. Like that. Turn around, Aura. Let me see. Slowly.
Like the box? It's okay, we can fix it.
Let me see. Turn around. Look at me, Aura. Look at me. Do you like it? Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful. We just have to tuck it in. We have to tuck it in a little bit over here. Let me see the front. And over here in the front, we got to tuck it in just a little bit. But other than that, you look so pretty. Do you like the crown?
Yeah.
The veil?
Yeah.
So are you going to have your hair loose that day?
Yeah.
Okay, pretty. Let me see the front again. Okay. Excellent. Nice. Aura, do you really want it? You want it? Okay. You look so pretty.
you want them to subscribe.
But don't give me them down because my video's good.